Hello everyone, welcome back to part 5 of my C# programming tutorial. This time we're gonna talk about how to um, read inputs from the console. I mean, assigning variables to, values to variables and making them go through if statements and switches is all fine, sure, but your program isn't really interactive unless you can actually talk um, to the user in some way, or let the user talk to the program, I mean. So in C# there is this one very versatile method called console.readLine. It does exactly what it says on the tin. It uses the console to read a line of text. Simple as that. So basically, if you want to read key, just to have it not stop at the end. So if we do like this, string s equals console.readLine, yeah, and then we write that, I can see very simple program that takes an input and puts it out. That's basically all it does. Now let's say we want to do something that does like this. Not write line, but write. The difference between write line and write is that write line writes a line and then puts the cursor underneath. Write just puts the cursor at the end of the text. So you can do like this. I can show you the difference in just a moment. Write, what is your name? And then you say string name equals console.readLine, and then you have something like what is your name, and then you can type the text at the end. However, if I say write line, you can type the text underneath. So yeah, that's the only difference really. So what's your name? Like so, yeah. And you know, it works like that. I'm just gonna write a small program here and then just talk about how it works. Line up. Just gonna be lazy here and just do the same. And I'm just gonna show you a thing that you have to be careful about in C#. Int age equals console.readLine. That should give me an error. Why does it do that? Well, basically what you're trying to do here, console.readLine only saves strings from the input, yeah? So you're trying to save a string as an integer, and that doesn't really work, and yeah. So basically what you can do two things really. well, you can do more than two things, but these are the two most common. You can either go int dot parse and then console.readline that I just copied. Oops, no, I didn't. Read. I am really bad at typing right now. You can either do it like this, then it parses the input as an integer to age, or what you could do, and this is just a matter of style, you could write it as int a equals, or age whatever, no, not parse, convert dot to int 32. An int is a 32-bit integer. This is the exact same as writing this. There's no difference. Int is just a shorthand for it. There's also a 16-bit integer, which is for smaller numbers, and then a 64-bit integer for larger numbers. But generally, you're not going to use anything more than the 32-bit. And then, once again, console, no, not convert, all dot readline, just like before. This is just a matter of style. I usually just say parse because that's easier for me. So yeah, int age equals console.readline that you parse to an integer and save as an int. And then we can do, what should we do? We could do that age thing again from the previous lesson. If age is less than 25, right, less than, hold on, I have an idea here. Console dot write like so. Remember that write doesn't make it jump to the next line, so this message is actually going to be on the same line. There's a good reason for that. And like so. Hold on, I forgot something here. Age. Like so. If age is more than 25, less than or equal to 25, more than 25, and age is less than 80. Oh. So, there isn't much to say here. It's just reviewing what we've already learned, basically, with the one exception of having the read line. So, else dot read, there we go. Oh, and name. Oops, like so. So basically, when we run this program, that didn't work for some reason. Why not? Huh? Readline takes 2 arguments. Oh, it's a readline. Sorry. I don't know what I was thinking. Like so. That's better. So now when we run the program, please write your answer here. My name's Nico. How old are you? I'm 20. And see? Now you have software that actually responds to your input in the console, so you don't have to constantly change it in the code. You can just write something that's generic, and then it will change during runtime, basically. Hold on. Yeah, like so. This is an escape character. It just tells the program to put this on a line lower than the other text. So like this. Please write your answer. No, hold on. I gotta put one here too. So like, I am Nico. See, now it's inserted a new line in between. It's called a new line. It's just the equivalent of pressing the enter key, basically. Yeah. Let's try a different age. Let's say I'm 30. In good standing. So yeah, I guess that concludes this very small tutorial, but it's a very important part of making console applications, is to make your code actually know what you're intending to do. That's it for now. See you guys later.